solutions. Today I just wanted to invite you to my kitchen just for a little bit. I haven't done it in a while just because I felt like it's boring. I've been grilling a lot and eating lots of salads, so I didn't think you want to see me grilling outside chicken or venison and just serving on top of the salad. So today, because I have abundance of zucchini, these are my zucchinis from my garden. I'm so excited. It's the first time I've grown anything. So I decided to show you what I do with zucchini, and I have the same recipe. You can use it for zucchini pasta, zucchini lasagna, or zucchini boats. You know, it's basically I used 2 pounds of ground venison. You can use ground beef or ground turkey. 1 jar of salsa, organic salsa from Aldi. 1 jar of tomato sauce. This is from Trader Joe's. I prefer the one tomato basil from Aldi, but I haven't gotten it, so I'm using this one. And zucchinis. That's super simple. So what I did, I took the zucchini, sliced it to thin slices to make zucchini lasagna. So this is what it looks like. I also took 2, cut it open in half and scooped it up with a teaspoon to create a little boat. So I'm going to make zucchini boats as well. The inside of zucchini I just cut up to small pieces and dumped it in the meat with a sauce, so it's cooking. It actually gives that a sauce like a creamy taste, so it's good. And if my kids eat it, at least they eat some zucchini in it if they eat only sauce with the regular pasta. So I'm kind of sneaking some vegetables into their sauce, you know, so that's the trick. And then I have a little sterilizer. You can put zucchini in. These are a little too big for the sterilizer, so I actually have Salad Master, you know, a bigger tool that can sterilize bigger zucchini super quick. But this is what the sauce is. I didn't want to bother you with too much time spending on making the sauce, so this is how it's made, and basically it's cooked. I can turn it off, and then I have my zucchinis. So try not to use aluminum. My glass baking sheet broke, so I had to use this today. I have to buy a new one. But anyways, I'm just taking the sauce and putting in the zucchini, simple. So I'm using it with no cheese, but you're welcome to put cheese on top if you want it, and this is what it looks like, laying down here. There we go. I'm only making 4 because I just wanted, for the purpose of this video, wanted to show you how you can make it, both lasagna and zucchini boats, but a lot of times I just make one. Like if I make zucchini boats, I make zucchini boats. If I make pasta, I make pasta. If I make lasagna, I make lasagna. You know, so it all depends how you want to do it, but it's basically the same recipe and 3 different things. You know, if I do make zucchini lasagna only, it's basically sauce without the inside of the zucchini cut up. So this is my 4th one. There you go, and that's going to go in the oven really quick. There you go. So here it is. They're going in the oven. Perfect. That's it. And then my zucchini lasagna, again, this broke too. I had a bigger glass one, but it broke, so I have to use this one. So I have the zucchini on the bottom, layered down. Now I'm gonna put sauce on top. You could use cheese. You don't have to use cheese. It's up to you. I just basically cover the zucchini with the sauce. So this one you have to cook a little longer because the zucchini is gonna release some juice. It's good to put some salt on the zucchini so it releases juice before you put it in. You can tap it dry and put it in, and then more zucchini layers. So layering it down again. There you go. Another layer. Here we go. As you can see, another layer. And another layer of meat. Again, you can use cheese if you wanted to. I might put the cheese just on top, but I'm not using any cheese inside. There you go. Another layer of meat and another layer of zucchini. There we go. There we go. And another layer of meat. So I have 3 layers of zucchini, the 4th layer of meat, Perfect, and I will cover it up with another layer of zucchini and bake it. Here we go. So here it is. It's going in the oven. Nice. Perfect. Okay, I think I'm going to, I have a little extra left, so I'm going to cut up another zucchini. You can see how I cut it. I just cut it, slice it up. I'm going to cut more and just make another zucchini lasagna. So that's really basically it. If you wanted to just do zucchini pasta, you can sterilize the zucchini, cook the spirals in a pan for a couple of minutes. They're ready to go, and then serve the sauce on top of the pasta. So again, zucchini is one of my favorite vegetables, only because it cooks fast and you can do so many things with it. So I cook a lot with it, and that's why it grows in my garden. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can find me at Karina at pfsfit.com.